We love to forge the metal, we roll it out, we hammer the metal, it's all cut by hand. We use traditional flame torches to solder the metal and soften the metal. So we really embrace the tradition. But we also use technology where it's appropriate, where it's helpful. But when you make stuff by hand the traditional way, you get a fantastic quality of metal. Like horseshoes and swords have all been forged over eons to get the best quality, and that's the way we make our jewellery. So the customer's experience with EverettBrookes is we sit at a jewellery bench making a ring for somebody, and so when we are talking to our customers about the ring that they'd like us to make, we invite them to be a part of that making experience. So seeing as we're making it, we may as well have them along for the ride. So they can come and spend an hour or two with a jeweller, and they actually get to physically roll the metal out and hammer it and bend it and really get a good feel for what's involved in making jewellery by hand. The feedback's been fantastic. It's one of those things that, the jewellery that's handmade is something that normally would last a lifetime. And to have been involved in the making, I'm sure you can imagine that people really loved that they were able to be involved in that making. Some people even said it's been the best part of the wedding experience, that they've got something that they can take with them for the rest of their life. So I'm Ian Brooks, one of the directors and executive jewellers at EverettBrookes. So if you'd love for us to make a piece of jewellery for you, visit our website or come to 90 Gawler Place in Adelaide. We'd love to see you here one day.